How to use OAuth APIs on Levelup. In this video, we will learn how you can set up and use OAuth APIs on Levelup. But first, make sure that you understand the acceptance criteria which you need to follow for using OAuth API. Check the link in the description. Here are the steps that you need to follow to set up OAuth API on Levelup. Start by logging into your Levelup admin account and click on the profile icon. You will get a drop-down. Click on Account, which will take you to the Account page. On the Account page, you will find the OAuth APIs option listed under the Meeting Platforms card. Click on OAuth APIs to view settings. When OAuth APIs are disabled, you will see the following messages/blurb on the OAuth APIs page. This feature is currently not available under your current Levelup plan. Click on Request APIs Access. A multi-line text box for entering comments with the placeholder text. Please tell us about your API requirements. Enter your API requirements in the text box. Once you are done, click on Submit. Once the request has been submitted, we will book a meeting with you within 2 to 3 business days to discuss your requirements. After OAuth APIs are enabled, you will see the following on the OAuth APIs page. Set up a new OAuth APIs app. If no OAuth app has been set up yet, click on New OAuth App to generate a client ID and secret to connect your apps to Levelup. You will get an option that says, Connect securely and automate tasks with other applications used in your organization. You will get an option to copy the client ID, OAuth app, and generate a new client secret. Click on it to generate the secret. After you do that, you will get the following message. Are you sure you want to generate a new client secret? Once the secret is created, you will be able to view and copy it only twice. You will get a drop-down menu to choose the validity period, with the following options: 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Choose the one you want. After that, click on Generate to generate the client secret. Want to start afresh? Simply click on Cancel to start over. This is how you can set up OAuth. To learn more about how to use other features on Levelup, check out our other tutorial videos on YouTube and on our website. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates.